Today, I'm revealing 25 incredible winter flowers that can transform your garden into a stunning winter wonderland. These plants are resilient, beautiful, and perfect for brightening even the gloomiest days. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the inspiration you need to keep your garden alive and thriving, even in the heart of winter. Let's get started. Snapdragons. Known for their springtime charm, snapdragons can withstand cooler weather, making them perfect for a winter garden. They prefer partial to full shade. Cornflowers. These bright blue flowers are perfect for adding a rustic, wildflower vibe to your garden. Plant the seeds 6 to 8 weeks before you want them to bloom. Starflower. This colonial favorite produces tiny, fragrant blooms in pink, white, or blue. They're perfect for edging walkways. Snowdrops. As the name suggests, these delicate flowers bloom even when there's snow on the ground. Plant them in the fall for an early spring surprise. Daffodils. Bright and cheerful, daffodils bloom as early as February in some regions. They're also rodent-resistant, making them a gardener's favorite. Iceland poppies. These beauties thrive in cold climates and start blooming as early as February. Their vibrant colors bring life to any gray winter day. Grape hyacinth. Tiny grape-scented blooms that emerge in late winter or early spring. They're petite but pack a punch in both fragrance and color. Winter heath. This ground-covering plant boasts long-lasting pink or white flowers, perfect for even the coldest climates. Scilla. Plant these gorgeous blue flowers in clusters for the best effect. They're great for rock gardens and love the winter chill. Algerian iris. This evergreen plant blooms as early as December in warmer climates and adds a touch of elegance to your winter garden. Pansies and violas. Hardy annuals that can survive most of the winter in mild climates. They're a low-maintenance way to keep your garden colorful. Hellebores. Known as Lenten roses, these tough perennials bloom in mid to late winter and have year-round waxy green foliage. Winterberry. Not a flower, but its striking red berries are a must-have for adding color and texture to a winter landscape. Lily of the valley shrub. This evergreen shrub dazzles with hundreds of bell-like flowers in mid to late winter. Winter aconite. Bright yellow blooms appear when snow still blankets the ground. Plus, deer and rabbits tend to avoid them. Witch hazel. These wispy, bright yellow flowers bloom in late winter, adding a whimsical touch to your garden. Primrose. With hundreds of varieties, these early bloomers are a staple for winter gardens. Camellia. These large rose-like blooms appear from late fall to mid-spring. Choose a winter blooming variety for the best results. Glory of the snow. As the name suggests, these flowers often bloom while the snow is still on the ground. They're perfect for garden edges. Mahonia. This shrub's bright yellow flowers and leathery leaves make it a standout in any winter garden. Ornamental kale. Not a flower, but its colorful ruffled leaves add a unique touch to your garden and even to winter bouquets. Winter jasmine. This vining shrub's cheerful yellow blooms are a welcome sight in late winter. Cyclamen. Often used as a ground cover, these pink, white, and lavender blooms thrive in winter sunlight. Crocus. Petite and colorful, these flowers peek through the snow to signal the end of winter. Daphne. This shrub offers sweet-smelling flowers in late winter, reminding us that spring is just around the corner. There you have it. 25 amazing winter flowers to brighten up your garden no matter how cold it gets. With a little planning and the right plants, you can enjoy vibrant colors and delightful fragrances all winter long. Which of these flowers are you expected to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!